Yes, hello traders. Let me show you another great features that I have recently implemented into the EmoGuardian, which I think is very interesting for those of you who are using EmoGuardian to manage expert advisor, or who are just, searching for a way to do so. So let me explain the whole idea behind this. So as you know, many traders use expert advisor to do some automatic trading, but at the same time they do not sort of trust this expert advisor at 100%, meaning that for any reason this expert advisor might go on tilt and start to take hundreds of trades and just lose the whole account. So this is something that might happen. So my idea is that you want to set a maximum loss or a maximum gain per day. So for instance, in this case, I have this account and maybe I want to lose only, let's say, $2,000 per day, right? And let's say that I want my day to start at 8:30, okay, for any reason, and to end at 8:30 of the following day, right? So what I would like to do is that if I have some expert advisor running, once they reach this 2,000 limit, they got killed, okay? They got sort of switched off, okay? But I also want them to be reloaded on the next day, okay? So basically in this case, okay, the day like tomorrow at 8:30 they will be reloaded if today we reach this maximum loss. So this is what I wanted to do. So now this is possible, and basically this is possible once the limits that are imposed in the daily limit tab and in the time ranges tab are reached. So since I don't want to just lose one whole day, let me show you how these work. Okay. Okay. So to explain how this works, I will first I will need to mention something. Basically, once the limits in this daily limits tab or in the time ranges tab are reached, okay, and then they are reset because, for instance, we change the day or the time range is over, okay, then okay, you can reload some expert advisor, and you can specify the expert advisor here. So if I click this, okay, it allows me to specify the name of an expert advisor that I want to reload. And in reality, I do not need to put the name of the expert advisor. I just need to put the name of a template on which the expert advisor is associated, right? So let me show you. Let's take as example this expert advisor that comes like pre-built. Okay, these four, they come pre-built with MetaTrader 5. Okay, let's say I want to reload this expert advisor. Okay, once a certain once the date is changed or the time ranges is changed. So I will associate it to any chart, so I can see it up here. And now I need to save it with a template name. Okay, so here I go, I right click, I go to template and I click save. Okay, and then here I go to MQL5, I go to files, and you will see a folder which is called EmoGuardian EA, right? So here I will call it yellow. Then I will show you why. So I call this yellow.tpl. Okay, and now in order to sort of visualize that I'm using this template, let's make some changes. So let's make this the background, let's put it yellow. Okay, and also let's use a bar up chart in this color, okay, and you know, something like this, and yeah, that's it. So it's clear that this template has this graphical appearance, but it is also associated to this expert advisor up here, right? So now I save this template again. Let me resave it again. Save as save template, okay, as usual. MQL5 files, EmoGuardian EA, and I select yellow TPL, okay. Okay, and then let's create also another template in which I put this expert, map size, optimize, whatever. Okay, and then let's put a background. Let's in green. Okay, and let me select. Okay, let's leave it that way, it's not important, right? And then let me save this template. So as usual, MQL5, files, EmoGuardian EA, let's call it green.tpl. And again, the colors are just, you know, to graphically show you what will happen, right? So now if I go to EmoGuardian, what I want to do is put the name of the template. So here I put the name of the template, and you see I must write it down this way. Okay, and if I do this, I click update, I will get no warning. Of course, if I do something like this and I click update, there are some you know, check to make sure that the template actually exists. So you don't want to make mistakes in this case, like EmoGuardian will, as usual, make some checks before allowing you to load the templates that make no sense. But now I also want to, okay, you can just specify them here, right? Like this. And I give you also this night feature to specify if you want to attach this template to any particular symbol. So let's say that this green template, I want to load it to EURUSD. Okay, I do like this. Okay, it says EURUSD doesn't exist because here it's written in capital letters, so I must be very precise with that. Let me show you. Okay, now I click this. Okay, so now what it's saying is that once the limits that are specified in the daily limits tab and in the time ranges tab, once these limits are reset, meaning that they are first reached and then reset, then this expert advisor will reload, right? So let's see how this works. Let's start with this daily limits tab. Okay, so let's say that today I want to lose, and let me check first how much okay, so today I already lost 1,217. Okay, of course this is just a demo count, right? So let's say that today, let's say that the day start at 20:45. 20:45. And why do I say 20:45? Because there are that is 8. Okay, 8 p.m. Because there are right now 2-hour difference, okay, in compared to the time here in Spain, compared with the platform time. Let's put 46 actually, okay? So I do like this, and it will tell me that this is a mistake because from 20:46 yesterday to today, then basically I already lost 1,317, right? So let's put 1350. I do like this. Okay, and let's say that, so now you see I have this expert advisor working here, I have many charts opened, and then let's say that I lose some money, okay, until I trigger that value. Okay, I want to try to trigger that value. Of course, when you try to lose money, you know, just to make some experiment, it becomes difficult, right? As usual. Okay, so now I have, you see, all positions are flattened, except of course for this one cannot be flattened because these are on some symbols which are currently closed. Market is closed, so you cannot close this position, right? So this is, as usual, signaled with a red background, but you must observe down here, you see that it's now 20:45 with the platform time, and in 20:46 the new day will begin. Okay, so as you can see, the new day has begun at 20:46, you see, and as soon as the day has begun, these two templates with the associated expert advisor have been loaded again. You see, they have been loaded. Okay, and moreover, let me show you that this template, the green one, has been loaded on Euro USD. Okay, as we specified it here. Okay, so this is pretty much the idea. So what about the time ranges? It works exactly the same. So let's say that now from 2046 something. Okay, so let's say 2046. Again, this is everything is expressed in platform time. So to 2048. Okay, I don't want to lose more than let's say $100. Okay, I do this. Okay, and then let's buy something. Let's buy these. Okay, I have already triggered that. But then at 2048, so let's observe the market down here. So the time down here. At 2048, the day will reset. Sorry, the time interval will reset. And so, you know, let's say that this expert advisor can be reloaded. The idea is that in a certain time range, the expert advisor, you know, can only lose a certain amount of time of money, right? So if they lose 100, they got switched off, right? And if they lose, as you can see, okay, they have been reloaded. Okay. Another nice feature is I can also specify another, you know, a maximum number of trades. This will be treated exactly the same way. Well, let's change something. Let's put here, let's put Audi CAD. Okay, let's do these, we update it. And here, let's say from 48 to 49, I'm only allowed to take 3 trades because, for instance, I don't want the expert advisor to go on loop. Okay, so now you see, I can open as many charts as I want, and then let's say take 3 trades. Sorry, did I update? Yeah, 3 trades. Okay, so this has been reached and everything has been switched off, and unfortunately, yeah, it doesn't show it very nicely because you know, there was this change in time immediately. So in this case, it's been immediately reloaded because it didn't give me time to, you see, to reach this number. Let's do it again to 51, let's say. So okay, 49 to 51, I'm only allowed to take 5 trades, let's say. Okay, so let's see, for instance, I have this expert advisor taking some trades, and now let's say it goes in loops. You take 1, 2, 3, 4, Okay, 5 trades. Okay, so it reached this number, right? And so now you know everything is blocked. Now I can't open another chart now. It gets closed. The trades do not get closed this time. As usual, this is explained in the manual, right? In this case, the conditional max number of trades only stops, you know, the expert advisor to open more trades. All the charts are closed. You cannot, if you take another trade, it gets flattened, right? But the trades that have been opened before do not get closed, right? This is explained in the manual. And of course, when we get to, you know, 2051, that in local time is 1851, then the expert advisor will be reloaded, right? So let's wait a minute and see what happens. Okay, and also they should be reloaded, you know, and attached to the charts that we want. And here you can see that the green one has been attached to the Euro USD and the yellow one has been attached to Audi CAD, which was specified here, right? So guys, I hope you find it useful. This was sort of inspired by a trader who said, you know what, I have these many have several expert advisors running on a server and I want them to be switched off and switched on. Is there a way to do that? And I thought this is actually a great idea, because there will be so many traders that need this feature, because you can't rely on what a developer might have done. Every expert advisor might have some bug that you know generates them to go in loop. Okay, that causes them to go in loop. And if they go in loop, they start to open hundreds of trades, or they start to lose, you know, an incredible amount of money, and there is nothing stopping them. So you want to have some kind of control, right? So this is what is offered, and of course you have this possibility to reload them automatically. So you can set this up in a server, and you have your favorite expert advisor, and you just impose a loss of, I don't know, 1,000 per day, 2,000, whatever your financial situation is. And then the EmoGuardian just takes care of, you know, switching it off, of killing him in case something goes wrong. Of course, as usual, this is also reported here. You know, whenever something happens, this is reported. And also, you know, when something is, you know, some condition is triggered, there is also a logging system that I don't want to explain here in details, but basically everything is reported and we have a way to double check what happens. So guys, hope you enjoyed this feature. As usual, please leave some comments, let me know, and let me know if you have any other suggestion to develop this project further, and join the Discord community as usual. Have a great day. Bye.